Hi, welcome to therottenrebel. I'm here with the one and only Sandra Solomon Fragrance.
Hi everyone.
So it's time to go through some of the fragrances that I bought during my trip to here. So I bought a bunch of fragrances and actually pretty much all of them came from Paco Rabanne. So this is basically going to be a Paco Rabanne fragrance haul. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the first one out is Paco Rabanne Invictus. Now I had the first YouTube review of this one, so yeah, I already opened it up. This isn't the first impression. But still, I wanted us to talk a bit about it. So please do read up the notes while I spray our fancy, super fancy improvised fragrance strips here.
So we have absinthe and grapefruit in the opening, then there's some mint and lavender. We have patchouli and cypress.
During my short time here, I already use, I'm not sure if we can see it, but
Yeah.
I'm already halfway through the bottle. So I actually really enjoy it.
I have never ever seen you finish.
Yeah.
No, you haven't finished it, but I mean
No.
you have used half of the bottle.
Yeah.
And that says something.
Yeah, I wouldn't use that much of it if I didn't enjoy it.
No.
So this has been sort of my go-to fragrance in the tropics. It smells really good, and I actually had quite a few compliments from you and from other people here as well. So this one is a mass appealing one for sure.
It is.
How do you feel about it?
I really like it. I think it's a great freshie. I think it's sweet. It's slightly spicy in some way. Green in a good way, and I'm not so into green fragrances, but it's something with that fresh sweetness together with the green notes that's really nice. And in this weather, the warm weather, it's perfect.
Yeah, I agree. This one to me is something green with that Paco Rabanne Invictus vibe to it. Really nice. It's not a pure love for me, but I really enjoy it, and I can highly recommend it to you if you enjoy that sort of a Paco Rabanne Invictus vibe and want a sort of a twist to it. So the next Paco Rabanne is part of the PaCollection. Actually, the rest of the fragrances in this fragrance haul are all part of the PaCollection, which I, by the way, really enjoy. This is Fabulous Me. So I am going to open it up, and inside you can actually find a bit of sort of info and the notes. So please do spray it on.
Yes.
Pumpkin, yes, nice, fun. Rhubarb, both of us really enjoy rhubarb.
Yeah.
Then we have vanilla and sandalwood. So something woody, something pumpkin-ish, rhubarb. And the fragrance description is an abstract blend of woods that shimmers inspired by a metallic copper tree. Pumpkin and rhubarb sign a new freshness while sandalwood and cedar go deep. So how do you feel about that one?
I love this. I love rhubarb. I obviously love pumpkin as well. The vanilla, the sandalwood is always a great combo.
Yeah.
This one is actually fabulous.
Yes, it smells.
I love it.
This one smells really nice. Parts of it reminds me of something else in the PaCollection. Maybe it's that vanilla or something.
Yeah.
But it smells really good, and I really enjoy it.
Yes, and I would definitely use this. So I think this is completely unisex.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. It's an amazing scent. I do like that it's a mass appealing scent, but it has that special something that makes it sort of a unique.
Yeah.
So is it a big like, a massive like?
This is a love.
Okay, whoa, a love. And
Yes.
I love hearing that. So next up we have Crazy Me. Oh my, I love the name.
Yes.
So please do spray the spray the spray.
Oh.
Spray the fragrance.
Spray the fragrance.
It's so warm here. I'm basically frying up trying to survive.
If anyone is wondering if there is sweat running down my chin.
There is.
It is sweat, yes.
So the fragrance description for this one is a modern and surprising interpretation of mimosa flower. Powdery honeyed mimosa is shaken up with a burst of wasabi. Wow. And then we have green metallic cuts through round, rich blackcurrant and sandalwood. So mimosa, wasabi, sandalwood yet again, and blackcurrant.
This is like a spicy blackcurrant fragrance. The wasabi note is really cool. It's like nothing I have smelled before.
Yes.
And it has that, I think that the mimosa makes it kind of creamy. So it's like creamy, sweet, spicy. Very cool.
Yeah. So yeah, I agree. There's something truly unique about this one that I really enjoy. It smells great. Maybe not as mass appealing as Fabulous Me.
No, I
but
agree.
still, people will react to it in a positive way. And I think this one smells a bit more, how should I put it? like unique or niche. Let's put it that way.
Yes, this actually does smell niche, and this is one that will get people's reaction because this is like nothing else.
Yeah,
and
I
that
agree.
is a great feeling.
So how do you feel? Is it a big like love?
It's almost a love. I think this is going to turn into a love.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is like a love fragrance haul. Or a fragrance haul filled with love. I love it. So next up is Major Me, and oh my. They have a new package actually for this, and I believe this one is something that they recently, this is part of the like recently releases in the PaCollection.
Yeah.
So please do spray that one on, and I am going to read up the story. No, the fragrance description. So we have the clash of a round cherry intro with the warm sophistication of patchouli, incense, and rich oud that evolves into an enveloping and addictive base. And oh my God, I got a massive whiff of that one. It spreads beautifully in this massive heat. It smells gorgeous.
This is so sexy.
Yeah.
Cherries and oud is like the perfect combination, and I don't think I've ever smelled the combination of cherries and oud before. And it's just exquisite.
Yeah, so this one is a sweet kind of oud. It's not that sort of a funky or dirty kind of oud. This is a really nice and polished, well-behaved oud. But the way it blends with the cherry is magical. So this is like a fruity oud with that hint of incense, and the incense is done the right way, at least according to me. I love this one.
Sweet, warm, inviting, extremely sexy.
Yes, I agree. And so far, this is probably my favorite one. It smells absolutely gorgeous. And this is one that I, without a single doubt, can recommend to you guys. If you enjoy a really mass-appealing oud, want it in a sort of fruity blend with cherry, oh my God, get this one.
I would totally wear this. Do you think women can?
I think so. Yeah, definitely. So if you are a woman, this one works unisex. So if you're a woman watching this and want a really fruity, mass-appealing oud on you, get this one. And if you're a man, come on, get it right now. So last but not least, we have Blossom Me, and this is the second of the two most recent releases in Paco Rabanne's PaCollection. Please do spray it on while I read up the fragrance description. A vibrant green mandarin freshness to shake up the orange blossoms that float in a herbal infusion. Vetiver brings relaxation for when it's finally time to lounge in the sun. And I'm in the sun, so apparently this is perfect. How do you feel about it?
This is really fresh. The mandarin, you can really pick it up.
Yeah.
The vetiver is really noticeable and noticeable.
Noticeable, yeah.
I don't know what I'm saying. But what instantly came to my mind was like, this is orange sanguine from Atelier Cologne mixed with some vetiver and something deeper.
The orange blossom in this one smells fantastic. This one to me is fresh in a really nice way, and you enjoying it says a lot, because you usually don't enjoy sort of a freshies.
Yeah, I'm picky with my freshies. I only like the best ones.
And you enjoy this one?
I really enjoy this one, definitely. It's a great one.
So is it a like, a big like, a massive like?
It's a big like.
Okay, nice. And I agree. I really enjoy this one, and I am going to use it today. So at the end of each fragrance haul, we usually pick our favorites. So which one of these 5 Paco Rabannes do you like the most?
Can I choose one or two?
No, just one this time.
Okay.
I know which one you're going to go for. Yeah, the same as me.
Major
Me. So
good.
damn good. That cherry with the oud, oh my God.
Yeah.
If you can put your nose to it, I bet you are going to love it. Now, I would love to know if you have tried any of these. If you have, please put a comment and let us know how you feel about them. Please do drop a like on this video. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to head on over to Sandra Solomon Fragrance channel. I'm going to link to her channel in the description below. Sub to her, sub to me, and we are heading to the pool. Bye.
Bye.